Okay, so now let's move on to our next game. It's called Red Flags. We're going to give you three situations consisting of two statements that are good and one not so good, which is the red flag. We've adapted these situations for you and Meta, and you have to assume these situations to be true, and then you have to choose which situation you would rather be in, and then tell us why.
All right, I'm game. Let's hear those situations.
So, situation one, Meta launches a groundbreaking new VR social platform, revolutionizing online communication. The company achieves record breaking user engagement and positive feedback for its latest VR headset. However, Meta faces a significant backlash over concerns regarding data privacy and security within its VR environments, leading to regulatory scrutiny and public distrust. Situation 2, Meta unveils a highly anticipated metaverse project, garnering widespread excitement and media attention. The company successfully acquires several innovative tech startups, bolstering its metaverse development efforts. Despite these successes, Meta encounters challenges in effectively monetizing its metaverse platform, leading to investor skepticism and financial pressure. Situation 3, Meta's advertising revenue reaches an all time high, driven by targeted advertising capabilities and improved ad performance metrics. The company introduces new features to enhance user experience and combat misinformation on its social media platforms. However, Meta faces criticism and legal challenges over allegations of anti competitive behavior and monopolistic practices in the digital advertising market, tarnishing its reputation and inviting regulatory intervention.
Tough choices here, but I'd go with situation two. While challenges in monetizing the metaverse are significant, the potential for growth and innovation outweighs the immediate hurdles.
That's interesting. A lot of our guests choose to, kind of see the trade-off between the challenge and the benefits. And if it's sometimes it's a challenge they've dealt with before or something they feel like if those benefits exist, then the challenge can be managed, which of course is the case for you. So interesting.